Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study USMLE Step 1. First, establish a clear study schedule. This plan should outline specific topics for each day, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Prioritize high-yield areas and allocate sufficient time, perhaps 2 hours for a complex subject like pharmacology. Remember to build in short breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus throughout your study sessions. Consistency is key to mastering the vast amount of information. Next, gather your essential study resources. First aid for the USMLE Step 1 is indispensable. Use it as your foundational text. Complement this with a robust question bank like UWorld, actively engaging with practice questions to solidify your understanding. Don't just read explanations, learn from them. Incorporate Anki flashcards for spaced repetition, which is highly effective for memorizing key facts and concepts over time. Consistent practice and thorough review are crucial. Take full-length practice exams regularly to build stamina and familiarize yourself with the exam format. After each practice test, meticulously review every question, understanding why answers were correct or incorrect. This process helps identify your weak areas. Dedicate extra study time to these challenging topics, perhaps an additional 5 hours, to turn them into strengths before exam day. On exam day, prioritize your well-being. Get a good night's sleep and eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain. Trust in the extensive preparation you've completed. You've put in the hard work. Maintain a positive and calm mindset throughout the exam, tackling each question strategically. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other valuable deals that can help you beyond your medical studies. This book offers excellent insights into managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.